Check one, two.
Hello, my name is Plumm, and this is episode 2 of my approach to vocal improvisation. Last time we looked at texture and space as 2 of the 5 main pillars that I use for my approach to improvisation using the human voice. Today we'll be looking at melody and phrasing. Melody can be complex, simple, sad, happy, major or minor, all shapes and sizes, but what we're doing is building that contour and shape based on the note choice. Remember to start simple, because even the most effective melodies can be the most simple ones. Some key advice for using melody when we're improvising is the use of reference. Referencing a melody that we already know, starting and seeing where we end up. Here's an example of a reference. I'm going to start with that Harry Potter melody line. Dum dum doo 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 doo. And now I'm going to change the notes around. I'm going to keep the same sort of shape that the melody has in its character, but I'm just going to see if you notice the notes that I'm going to change around. Dum doo 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 doo. Do 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 do. You see there's a slight subtle difference, but even then I'm able to bring about a new mood, a new shape, a new contour that I can call my own melody. Do 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 do. Now we've come to our 4th pillar, phrasing. Phrasing is such a key ingredient for improvisation because it creates instant moods, suspense, tension, and release. Imagine you've got a really juicy story that you and your friend are talking about. You want to hold things back. You want to stretch things out. You want to create emphasis and dynamic, and this all creates interest in what you're trying to say. You can take breaths, you can take gaps. You're structuring how you're saying. You're speeding up and then you're bringing it in. And this is all how you find your own sound as an improviser. In order to show you what I mean, I'm going to take another really well-known melody line and I'm just going to rephrase it. I'm not going to change the melodies. I'm not going to change too much in texture, but I'm just going to show how phrasing can be so effective. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Now I'm going to rephrase it. Dum da 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 dum da 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 dum dum da do do da da dum da da da. Let's try some longer phrases. Dum da da dum ba da dum da da dum ba do dum ba do 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 do. You see, everything can be rephrased and reimagined. Let's now combine the 2 pillars, melody and phrasing, together. I'm going to vocally improvise using Harry Potter and Happy Birthday as my references, and I'm going to think about rephrasing and reshaping the way in which the melodies are sung. Our task for this episode. I want you to take a melody that you know, and that you know quite well. Just change one note of that melody line. When you feel confident that you can get through that, try change another note. And keep going and just see where your vocal improv can take you based on that theme and that structure and that shape of that melody that you know. Then I want you to think about phrasing. How can you move around the structure and the dynamic, and how it can change the interest of what you're actually singing? Remember to have fun, keep trying new things, and really find your sound. Next time, we're going to be looking at harmony and beyond.